All right guys, I got a new bike and we're about to go for a spin. Got the keys right here. I have it outside. Let's go check it out. And here we go. This is a Nakto Super Cruiser. It's unbelievable how fun this thing is. And quiet. People just think I'm a beefcake. It is cold. That's why I'm not going too far. I'm just going to park it over here for a while because I want to show you guys exactly what this bike is. This is an incredible bike, man. You know, I've been wanting to get an electric bike for a while, and this Nakto Super Cruiser is freaking amazing. So you know, I've had e-bike kits in the past and they're kind of like cobbled together. They have a controller, they have a battery, they have the motor, and then you have to like flip the wheel, and then you have to like figure out what kind of like sprockets you need to have. This one is completely an e-bike, so it's built as an e-bike. And let me just show you like really quickly. So the battery is right here. It's a pretty massive battery. I believe it's like 10 amp hours or 12 amp hours. I'm not exactly sure. The pedals, even the pedals. Normally you would get a cheap plastic pedal. These are metal. And this one comes with a big fender. And of course the big fat wheels. Look at that. These are massive fat wheels. The fenders work really well. You know, I haven't had it this long, so I just got this. And I'm a big fan of the electric bike movement because I live in DC, out in the outskirts, but a lot of people use bicycles to commute, and I've commuted using bicycles for a very long time. And when you use bicycles, man, it is a pain in the ass to get up in the morning and then pedal and get to work all sweaty. This thing will get you to work without breaking a sweat. And of course you can switch it always off if you want to burn some calories. You still burn calories by pedaling. So the way it works, the motor is right here in the hub, 750 watt. It is amazing. You have a key ignition, so if you want to remove the battery, all you do is you flip up the seat, and then you see the handle, you just kind of flip it this way, move it up, and that's off. And turn it on, that's in the on position. Then you have a button here on the modes. You push and hold it and it turns on your speedo. And look at this, you have a USB charger for your phone, and of course you have 6 speeds. But honestly, man, I don't know if you even need any speeds, because this thing has just got so much power to go up any uphill. And you have a horn. I don't want to honk too much, but if you push these 2 buttons, you go up in mode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can just kind of like turn it off. Turning it off means, I believe, that this is like a sensor that's in the crank, and I've always had a hard time installing these on the normal bikes, the e-bike kits. So when you install that, as you're pedaling, you can choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 modes, 5 being the strongest, and that's going to give you the most speed. If you remove these 6 Phillips screws, the controller and the wiring is here. The wiring is actually routed through the frame all the way. So that's the beauty of this bike, is that it is absolutely clean. Like, there's nothing that kind of sticks out. I can't wait until it's a little bit warmer so I'll ride to Washington and just kind of zip around. You know, I'm a fan of just bikes in general, but I think there's like a demand for this, for commuters specifically. When you live in this area and your commute is like 10 miles, you can do that on this bike. And right now you have like the shifting right here for the rear. You don't have a shifter in the front. You really don't need it. And of course you can ride this like a motorcycle by pushing this. I don't have to pedal if I don't want to. Yeah, I'm really liking this. I mean, it's so casual to ride. You know, when you're riding a bicycle, it's fun. But sometimes you just want to like look around. Man, I wish I had this as a commuter bike. This is actually even almost better than a scooter for commuting. Man, I am not winded, nothing. And if you're tired, man, just like hit that throttle, just rock on. 19 miles an hour, 20. I think I'm limited at 20 miles an hour. I'm going to turn it down, the speed, put it on 3. Level 3 seems to be pretty good. And it's brand new. The cables will stretch a bit, so you're going to have to do that. Look at this. Just go right through here. And because of the fat tire, really easy to go around. Can I go through here? This is the beauty of the e-bike. Lots of stuff you can do. It is so fast. Such a fast bike. Look at this. You can't do this on regular bikes, man. The top speed is 20 miles an hour, and it seems to be adequate for what it is. You don't want this to be too fast. Look at this. This is the beauty of this bike. Just go right through here. It kicks in pretty hard. This thing is so much fun to ride. Man, I do love this thing. What a deal. If you guys want it, I'll post a link in the comments below. But look at that. I even have a horn. And the light, I can turn on the light for visibility right there. There's another, I shouldn't be out here, man, but it's just so easy. It's so effortless. This is so effortless. It's crazy. Oh my God, I found something. This is so crazy. Where does this go? Man, there's a lot of land back here. I never realized that this was here. This is almost better than a dirt bike. It's just so easy to ride. Whew. That was fun. That was like a dirt bike. Here we go. Look at that. No pedaling. Just a little. That car in the dust, man. Holy cow, man, this bike, this is a hell of a bike. Oh my God, this is exciting. This is a really awesome, man. Nakto, you hit it out of the ballpark with this damn thing. This thing is powerful. It's freezing, so I'm not going to do too long of a ride. But Jesus, look at this thing. Man. Oh boy, this thing. Just by doing one revolution, it just brings the bike up to speed just like that. Let's look at it again, guys. That was amazing. So again, this is the Nakto Super Cruiser, 750 watt. This is a blast to ride. I was not expecting it to be this fun. Today's freezing. It's 50 degrees, so I'm not going to really ride too much. But I'm pretty... Yeah, this thing is just awesome. So awesome. Whew. I can't wait until I ride this like to Washington and show it off. Alright guys, that's the ride for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.